Wait, can my base handle this without the thing? Okay, I can't add more on without reinforcement plates. Oh, no, 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 no! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Where? Where? Wait. Oh my god, do I not have a repair tool? Base flooding and something else. But no. Well, lively as ever, as always. Answer getting water. So yeah, you guys, this was an interesting video. Hasn't even been 5 minutes, and I've almost destroyed the entire base. Fantastic. I wonder what that noise is. What's causing it? What's making it? I want to learn this beast. Control the beast. Meet it eye to eye, if I can. And then I will teach it who is the real beast of these seas. Who is the real monster. Because no matter what you look like, it's your actions that define you. That actually made sense. What the hell? Did I accidentally make sense? Hold on. What? I didn't know that was possible. I actually... Let's find out. I want to know. Okay, we're going to do a test here. 2 tests, actually, in 1. Ah, screw it. I gotta... Oh, oh, that's right. I let the second one go. So let's do 1 test. 1 test... Okay, 1 test is off. Next test. Huh. Oh! I put 2 and 2 together. I'm a genius in the making. I just literally ate both, drank both. Frick! Alright, and I have to head right back out. I think I would want this under, but I don't think it will let me, so...
Hello there.
That's right! I can't do that! And I know exactly where to look for lithium, thankfully. The issue is, though, it's a pretty dangerous place. And it's dangerous for its good, and it's known to be dangerous for good reason. It's not really the vacation spot you want to be in. Y'all know what I'm talking about. We're heading right to Delta. And y'all know what biome's that way. And y'all know what's in there. So y'all know why I'm calling it dangerous. Okay, that's cool. We're here. With it being this dark, I might actually be in some trouble. Oh, they definitely made this area a little more scary than it used to be. Making it darker was honestly a perfect move, y'all. God, I have a lot of quartz on me. I really don't want to lose that. But I need that lithium.
I need it!
I can't. You know what? We're here. Screw you, buddy. I'm going up. Thank God it didn't chase me. I actually can't deal with that right now. Alright. Ooh! They won't hurt. Please. Please. Yes! Yes! They fixed it! Okay. Oh. 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 I have a lot of stuff in my... Oh. Let's step in the boiling acid. Alright, I read your message. This is a recorded message. If you can hear this, you're trespassing. If you know what's good for you, you'll get the hell out of here. Haha! Sucks for you. I don't think. Oh yeah, wasn't there some good plants here? Well, not you. You're an okay plant. Don't get me wrong. You're pretty cool, but no. Wow, they made this more realistic with like this red one. Ooh. Oh, that's right. I haven't even scanned half the plants on this place. Have I scanned you guys? Yeah. If I scanned you. No. Honeycomb plant. Like it. Because I like it like that. This place really has evil lair vibe, indeed. This was the plant I wanted to grab because this one's really good. Let's do this. Yeah, they fixed it. Stop right there, Altera. You're out of bounds. I'm not with Altera. Then your position is double precarious. Like music. What do you mean? If you're telling the truth, you're out of your mind. If you're lying, there'll be hell to pay. Wait, who are you? Stay off my land. Don't follow me. Oh! They got rid of don't follow me. Which means do follow you. I've traced the woman's into an ecstasy. Oh. So we have something telling her. It would appear I'm far less alone on the planet than I anticipated. So it tells us where her base is. That's actually pretty nice, because back then, you didn't know where it was. Okay, another place. Map. How big is... Where's my inventory at? Oof, that's not where I would like it. Oh yeah, that would actually really help. Would be the thing. Yeah. That's what I was trying to say.
New blueprint.
Nope, we're cutting you off. Oh yeah, the jukebox! All this stuff's fixed. We got a nameplate. I like that. Fred, Lancer. Oh, we're just oh, I like that idea. Alright, do it. Huh, I really thought I was gonna just oh my god, yes! More posters. I'm in love with the game again. Single bed. Looks really nice. Wait, I don't get it? Aw. Takes a lot to maintain. It does. I can agree. 100%. It does. And I don't do a well job. I don't do a really good job of mine.
New blueprint acquired.
Oh god, there's so much stuff to pick up. Oh god, I'm not gonna be able to. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to back. Can I get curtains? I want curtains. Though I guess we did get a lot, like in the new update, so I can't really complain that much. I wonder if they fixed. Oh. Yeah, I'll take that. I wonder if they... Ooh, there's more over here. What'd I get? Scanner room. Wait, I could scan something. What was it?
New blueprint acquired.
Oh, snow. So I wonder if they fixed this... Oh! Oh! Yeah, they 100% fixed this area. Ooh. They got a logo.
Dangerous weather approaching.
Oh! Frick. There's dangerous weather everywhere these days. Emmanuel... I'm not gonna try that last name. Cashy setup must belong to one of the higher ups. Indeed. Double bed. I like the blanket. Like it. Got a PDA. Ooh, I like the... Oh, this is 100% where they did the last trailer. I saw that. So if I'm correct, first I'm gonna scan this, then I'm gonna interact. I love that. I'll shut that off right now. But yeah, I love that. Oh, now we get the aquarium. Gotcha, gotcha.
New blueprint acquired.
Basic pot plant. It's not that basic. It's actually pretty nice.
New blueprint acquired.
We got observatory.
New blueprint acquired.
Wait, I could scan something. What was it? Compost pot plant. It was covered up by the snow. It was like right here.
Blueprint acquired.
Well, that's nice. Can I not get the wooden desk? I really like it. Oh! Well, hey, at least I can scan you now. There we go. We got a sky ray. I would like to say that has definitely 100% been updated. Holy crap. What's this? I don't know. You're not a rocket anymore. Gone fishing. You look like a creepy doll maker. I'm gonna be real. Holy crap. So you were definitely the person. Let's do a status report, I guess. Huh. Okay, well I have to go warm myself up. We'll read all this later. I can't do anything with that yet? Gotcha. Is that it? I just can't... Oh, hello. I can't do anything yet? I gotta find a part in one of the sunken ships still? We're doing that? Gotcha. But yeah, the story has been well updated. I got a few minutes left before the, before I gotta do crap. So let's do this. Manual explaining how the tower works and how it doesn't giving clues to as to how to tamper with it. Gotcha. So stuff isn't done yet. Oh, I like the little doodle. Thanks for everything, Sam. Few updates. Good morning, Frostback. Just a quick update to inform you of some key achievements and priority shifts we need to all get behind. Despite paying the project was a resounding success, please join me in congratulating Samantha Io, who is now reassigned to Outpost Zero, helping us dream of future initiatives. Congratulations are also in order for Daniel Valor and her team at Omega Lab. Somebody's stealing my stuff already. The closing of FIA Robotics means important funds can be redirected to the Kahara bacteria study, which has important positive implications for their life science. You're all doing an excellent job, and I don't want to promise you anything, but HQ has been taking notice. Keep up the good work, and I think we can start discussing bonuses soon. Ooh, I like this. Wait, cut! No, don't cut this! Either your name's cut or something. I thought I saw something move in the water again. I know that technically lots of things move in the water, but this was a new one for me. It was big, whatever it was. But it had 4 limbs, kind of like moved like a human, and things have been going missing, mostly tools. Sea monkey? I thought I saw something in the shadows again, just outside. It was big, whatever it was, but it had 4 limbs, moved like a human, and things have been going missing. Artificial tool. Sea monkey. Ooh! Here we go. Tower maintenance log. Okay, this time the birds have really done it. I don't know what they've been eating, but it's corrosive when it comes out the other end. I'm going to need to rewire. I'm short an element to fabricate the right cable. I remember seeing some when I did that dive into the old ship. I'm going to go out there and see if I can get some more. That should fix it. Maintenance says in progress. He never made it back. Oh, we got personnel stuff. That's interesting. Look at that. You're the creepiest out of the bunch. I gotta say it. So not much other than telling us we have to go to the ship. I skipped a few things, of course, because I'm just not really interested in reading. But yeah, we have a huge inventory to get back with. And I just realized I didn't grab lithium. There we go. Now I can get lithium. Alright, this is where stuff's gonna get real tricky because I don't know where those things are at. Surprisingly not here.
Geothermally active cave detected below.
You are way more useful than the other one. Holy crap. Alright, we got 2 lithium and I already... But yeah, holy crap, you're way more useful than Karen. Thank you. I can confirm that, yeah. There is definitely something below us. That would be described as a geothermal cave. One more. There it is. Oh god, I think one saw me.
New technology acquired.
It's a sea truck. I'm heading back to my base. Synthetic fibers. That's a new one. Yeah, you guys, see y'all in the next video.